got this thing, installing that guy. Piece of cake. These are all the pieces that it comes with. Put these rags right here. Glue these all the way. Sure, there's a better way to do this. Don't need to be perfect. Next, this guy should be going in. That should be packing and then washer and then this guy. So packing first and then washer and then jam nut. Too tight, but tight enough to hold stable. We're gonna fix her up. Hopefully we got enough space, at least the right angle. So these guys are not going to fit. Clearly. So we got some of this. Go ahead and rip off some. Not the prettiest work, but it should do. Had all these, had it wrapped it up, see if it fits with the tape already. We're going to hopefully not get any leaks on these. Gross. These are extra small because of my sister. Okay. Very well. We're just gonna raw dog it. Screw it, man. If it leaks, I'm just gonna add more tape. Amateur logic. Honestly, I prefer using wrenches, but this is all we got. All right, we should test the leak. All right. No leak on that either. Cool. Next up, connecting this guy to this and click this all the way. Should serve. Next up, attach the weight of this section. That'll be the hose. Let's test her out. Got hot, not cold. Cool. There you have it. Not seeing any leaks, so that's good. Like and subscribe. Should be this guy. Got it at Home Depot. This 591 LFA 118. Got two of them.